Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making espresso walnut chocolate chip cookies that are also eggless. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Start by adding 113 grams of softened butter, 170 grams of light brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to a stand mixer. Mix on low until combined and there are no butter chunks. If you prefer to use a hand mixer, you're welcome to do that as well. I just think that it takes a bit longer. Next, add in a quarter cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of plain Greek yogurt, 255 grams of all-purpose flour, and half a teaspoon of baking soda, salt, and espresso powder, which is my secret ingredient in these cookies. Mix on low until combined into a cookie dough. I'm using Old Dog Ranch Certified Organic Regenerative Walnuts and Theo Chocolate Organic Salted Toffee Dark Chocolate Bars. This combination gives you the classic chocolate and nuts flavor profile, but seriously elevated, as these chocolate bars have bits of toffee in them for bold flavor. Chop both into small pieces and add 113 grams of walnuts and 2 chocolate bars, which is about 170 grams, into the cookie dough. If you want to reserve some of the walnuts and chocolate to add on top of the cookies so they look extra loaded before baking, you can also do that, but this part is totally optional. Mix on low until the chocolate and walnuts are completely combined. Using your hands, form the dough into 12 cookie dough balls and flatten them slightly so they're about 2 inches in diameter. Place them on 2 parchment paper lined baking sheets, spacing evenly apart. You'll get 6 cookies per sheet. If you saved chocolate and walnut pieces, then you can add those on top now. Bake at 375 degrees for 15 minutes or until the edges look dry. The best thing about eggless cookies is you can underbake them without worry if you like extra soft and gooey cookies. For perfectly round cookies every time, round the cookies out with a cookie cutter or a glass right after they come out of the oven. Sprinkle these with flaky sea salt immediately after coming out of the oven for the best sweet and salty cookies. We have been obsessed with these cookies in our house, and I hope you enjoy them as much as we do. If you want more organic cookie recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.